Introducing the Kawasaki Corleo, a groundbreaking fusion of robotics and motorcycle engineering designed to revolutionize off-road mobility. With its 4 robotic legs equipped with adaptive hooves, it mimics natural walking movements and effortlessly tackles rugged terrains from grass to gravel. Powered by a 150cc hydrogen engine, the Corleo combines eco-friendly innovation with robust performance, demonstrating the future potential of sustainable energy. Riders control it through intuitive, horseback-inspired movements, delivering a uniquely immersive experience. Debuting at the Osaka Expo 2025, Kawasaki's Corleo is set to redefine personal mobility, showcasing hydrogen's promise in transforming transportation for a greener tomorrow. The IntBall 2, developed by JAXA, is a sophisticated free-flying camera robot engineered to enhance efficiency aboard the International Space Station ISS. Equipped with advanced navigation software, improved propulsion systems, and high-resolution 4K-capable cameras, IntBall 2 autonomously captures photos and videos, reducing astronauts' workload for documentation tasks. It can maneuver precisely within the station's confined spaces, ensuring optimal data collection without human intervention. Additionally, IntBall 2 serves as a platform for technological experiments, enabling external users to integrate and test new software. This cutting-edge robotic innovation not only streamlines activities aboard the ISS, but also paves the way for future advancements in space exploration and robotics. Unitree's G1 humanoid robot is a groundbreaking innovation in robotics, blending agility, precision, and versatility. Standing at 1.32 meters tall and weighing 35 kilograms, the G1 features 23 degrees of freedom, enabling dynamic movements like walking, running, and even performing acrobatics such as side flips. Equipped with advanced sensors, including 3 DLI, DAR, and depth cameras, it achieves 360-degree environmental awareness, making it suitable for tasks in research, industry, and potentially hazardous environments. Its 3-fingered dexterous hands allow for precise object manipulation, while its 9,000 mAh battery ensures up to 2 hours of operation. With a starting price of $16,000, the G1 is positioned as an accessible platform for robotics research and development, showcasing the future of humanoid robotics. The Dive XL, developed by Anduril Industries, is an extra-large autonomous underwater vehicle, XL AUV, designed for long-range and long-duration missions. With a modular and open systems architecture, it can carry multiple payloads, including large and complex ones, making it highly adaptable for tasks like seabed surveys, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and even strike missions. Powered by an all-electric drivetrain, it can operate underwater for extended periods without surfacing, enhancing its stealth and operational flexibility. Its compact design allows for easy transportation and deployment from various platforms, including ships and piers. Dive XL is setting new standards in maritime autonomy, offering unmatched versatility and endurance for both defense and commercial applications. Lab-grown meat, the lab-grown meat, also called cultivated or cultured meat, is changing everything we know about how meat is produced. Instead of raising and slaughtering animals, this process involves collecting animal cells and nurturing them in a nutrient-rich, controlled environment until they grow into real meat. No cruelty, no compromise. The benefits are huge: dramatically lower greenhouse gas emissions, reduced land and water usage, and the ability to meet global protein demands more sustainably. It offers the same taste, texture, and nutritional value as traditional meat, but with a fraction of the environmental footprint. Major food companies and governments around the world are racing to scale up this technology, and soon lab-grown meat might be a regular item in your grocery store or even your favorite restaurant. It's not science fiction. It's the future of food, and it's happening right now. ClearSpace, a Swiss startup, is spearheading efforts to tackle the escalating problem of space debris. In collaboration with the European Space Agency, ESA, they are developing the ClearSpace 1 mission, aiming to be the first to actively remove debris from Earth's orbit. Initially set to capture the Vega secondary payload, Adapter Vespa, left in orbit since 2013, the mission's target shifted to the Proba 1 satellite due to unforeseen circumstances. Swiss watchmaker Omega has partnered with ClearSpace, becoming the first private entity to support this groundbreaking initiative. The mission is slated for launch in the second half of 2026 aboard a Vega C rocket. This collaboration highlights the increasing role of public-private partnerships in ensuring the sustainability of space activities. The Boeing Recoverable Launch Booster was an ambitious concept developed by Boeing in the 1960s as part of the effort to reduce the costs of launching spacecraft into orbit. The design featured a double-body structure with a specialized booster stage designed to be reused. The concept used a combination of rocket engines for the initial ascent and a set of turbofan engines for the return flight. Once the spacecraft had been launched into space, the booster would separate and then engage its turbofan engines for a controlled return to Earth, where it would land on a runway for refurbishment and reuse. This concept, while promising, was ultimately never built or flown, as advancements in other space technologies and shifting priorities led to its cancellation. However, the Boeing Recoverable Launch Booster helped pave the way for future reusable rocket concepts. Kawasaki's Alice system is a groundbreaking step toward the future of smart mobility. Designed to debut at the Osaka Kansai Expo in 2025, Alice stands for accessible linkages for innovative and comfortable experiences, and it's all about seamless travel. Imagine stepping into a sleek, compact Alice cabin that carries you through city streets, then docks into a train, boards a ferry, or even attaches to a plane, without you ever leaving your seat. Each cabin seats up to 4 people and is powered by hydrogen fuel, making it clean, green, and futuristic. At the heart of it is Kawasaki's innovative OCU VOID power unit, born from their motorcycle engine tech. This isn't just a concept, it's a bold vision for a future where transportation is smooth, sustainable, and fully interconnected. Area Gen 2 is Meta's next-generation smart glasses, designed to advance research in AI, machine perception, and robotics. Building on the original Project Aria, these glasses feature upgraded sensors, including RGB cameras, spatial microphones, eye-tracking sensors, and SLAM cameras for precise positional awareness. New additions like a heart rate monitoring PPG sensor and a contact microphone enhance usability and accessibility, particularly for blind and low-vision individuals. With on-device AI capabilities for speech recognition, hand tracking, and simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM, Area Gen 2 offers 6 to 8 hours of active use and a lightweight, foldable design. This innovative device is a significant step forward in wearable technology, paving the way for future advancements in accessibility and AI-driven applications. The Aeronova airships represent a new era in aeronautics, focusing on innovative designs for passenger and cargo transportation. These next-generation airships are designed to be environmentally friendly, cost-effective, and capable of long-duration, year-round flights. Utilizing advanced materials and patented technologies, Aeronova airships feature semi-rigid structures, mechanized mooring systems, and the ability to land on small pads or water. They aim to revolutionize air travel by offering sustainable solutions for various industries, including logistics, tourism, and emergency services. With a strong emphasis on safety, efficiency, and versatility, Aeronova is paving the way for the future of airship technology. The Sukhoi W-51 Mustang 1 is a state-of-the-art ultralight aircraft inspired by the iconic P-51 Mustang of World War II. This 70% scale replica combines timeless design with modern innovations, featuring a carbon fiber structure, retractable landing gear, and a Garmin G3X glass cockpit for advanced avionics. Powered by a turbocharged Rotax 916IS engine, the SW51 delivers exceptional performance with a climb rate of over 2,000 feet per minute and a cruising speed of 216 knots. With its authentic details, including simulated rivets and a Merlin engine sound system, the SW51 blends aviation heritage with cutting-edge technology, offering an exhilarating and unique flying experience. NASA's Mars Sample Return (MSR) mission, in collaboration with the European Space Agency (ESA), aims to bring Martian rock, soil, and atmospheric samples back to Earth for comprehensive analysis. The mission involves multiple steps. The Perseverance rover collects and caches samples on Mars. A future lander will retrieve these samples and launch them into Martian orbit. Then, an orbiter will capture the sample container and return it to Earth. This complex campaign seeks to provide unprecedented insights into Mars geology and potential signs of past life. However, the mission faces challenges, including escalating costs estimated at around $10 billion and potential delays pushing the sample return to the late 2030s. To address these issues, NASA is exploring partnerships with private aerospace companies to streamline the mission and reduce expenses. AST SpaceMobile is on a mission to revolutionize global communication by creating the world's first space-based cellular broadband network that connects directly to everyday smartphones. No special hardware needed. Using advanced satellites like BlueWalker 3 with a massive 693 square foot antenna, and the upcoming Bluebird satellites, AST has already made history with the first ever space-based voice call and 5G connection from space using an unmodified phone. Partnering with giants like AT&T and Vodafone, the company is working to eliminate connectivity gaps across land, sea, and air, bringing high-speed 4G and 5G coverage to even the most remote corners of the planet. This isn't just innovation, it's a bold step toward truly global mobile connectivity. SmartSwim 2, the next-gen augmented reality goggles that are changing the game for swimmers. These high-tech goggles project real-time metrics like distance, time, and heart rate directly into your line of sight, so you can track performance without ever stopping. With a sleeker design, upgraded eye seals for better comfort, and a built-in heart rate monitor on the strap, they're engineered for peak performance in the water. Compatible with both iOS and Android, swimmers can sync workouts to the Form app and connect with platforms like Strava. Whether you're training for competition or just want smarter swim sessions, the SmartSwim 2 delivers a powerful boost right before your eyes. NeoGamma is an advanced humanoid robot developed by 1X Technologies, designed to seamlessly integrate into home environments and assist with daily tasks. With a soft, 3D-printed nylon knit suit that mimics human movement, NeoGamma offers enhanced performance, reduced noise, and improved safety with tendon-driven joint actuation and soft covers. The robot is powered by advanced neural networks, allowing it to predict actions, walk with a human-like gait, and interact naturally through contextual body language in a custom-built language model. Planned for early home tests in 2025, NeoGamma could revolutionize home robotics with an estimated price range of $20,000 to $30,000. Autonomous transport pods represent the future of sky-high commuting, offering a sleek, innovative solution to the growing challenges of urban congestion. These autonomous pods, designed to travel above city streets, are set to revolutionize how we think about transportation. With their ability to glide along elevated tracks or cable systems, they bypass traffic and provide a fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly mode of transport. The system, like Whoosh, is designed to reduce traffic congestion, lower emissions, and offer a more flexible and affordable commuting option compared to traditional transit. As cities look for smarter ways to move people, autonomous transport pods could soon become a staple in urban mobility, changing the way we commute forever. The Aki K1 is an AI-powered home gym and personal trainer that brings advanced fitness technology into your living space. It features a compact design, folding down to just 0.3 square meters, making it 90% smaller than traditional gym equipment. The system offers over 140 classes and 280 movements, including strength training, Pilates, yoga, and aerobics, catering to diverse fitness goals. Its AI-driven coaching utilizes motion tracking and real-time feedback to create personalized workout plans tailored to your fitness level and objectives. The Aiki K1 also provides comprehensive fitness assessments, monitoring cardiovascular endurance, muscle strength, flexibility, and more, ensuring a holistic approach to your health and wellness journey.